My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called Shadaloo. Shadaloo is a ransomware that targets many Windows computers. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting it. In the video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files, even though I cannot guarantee that I'll help you to recover them. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, we were able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, all other documents, but very soon, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called Shadaloo may be very easily injected into the device. As a result, very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. So the ransomware encrypts files and appends this Shadaloo extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note that tells the victims that they need to pay the special ransom. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. The ransomware also reveals this, well, it actually changes the desktop background. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special software called Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start researching the computer by clicking on the Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode, and only Quick Scan option is available in the trial mode. So after you click on the Start Scan button, most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. Finally, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, it will give you the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your data would always be under the protection against all other ransomware or malware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.